y'all, it's Sekoya. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review from Sam's Beauty. The wig that I got today is the angled wig bob. Well, it's actually the angled wave bob, and this is in the color OTD BLBK, which is blue black. So we're trying something different today. Not your normal, your typical brown, your typical black, your typical color. Blonde. It's actually blue black. So I'm opening this wig for the first time with you guys because you're special to me. So this is the hand-tied curved part, and this is synthetic. It says that it is heat resistant fiber and it is curling iron safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the invisible deep part wig. So we're going to try this out and see how we like this on our hair. This is what it looks like. It does have the protective net around it. Oh, the part looks nice just by looking at it. I like that part. It's very cute. So I'm gonna take this out the package, and I will not be braiding my hair up underneath this because my hair is straight, and I still have a little bit of time to wear my hair straightened. I'm going to wear it to the max until it's time to shampoo my hair. So what I'm going to do instead of braiding my hair under is just wrap it up and put a cap on top. Okay, I'm gonna just be using a regular cap from the beauty supply store. This wig cap is probably too light for my skin, but I can easily cover it up with makeup. Okay, so I'm about to wrap my hair. Not a perfect wrap. Y'all know how it is when you wrap your hair and it's got a lot of body, so it's hard to wrap. Okay, there we go. The wig does come with specs letting you know how to care for the wig, like most wigs do. So if this is your first time wearing a wig, or you don't really know how to take care of wigs, then definitely if you buy this wig, it will guide you through what to do. Okay, so just by looking at the wig, it has the part right here on the side, and it has two combs on, well, one comb on either side, so two combs in the front, and it also has one comb in the back. It has two adjustable straps on each side. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. Just from first impression, I like the wig. I think it's cute. Now, what I do have to get used to is the fact that the part is on my right side versus my left side. I don't wear parts on this side of my hair, but it's definitely something to get you. This is cute, guys. I can't even finish my sentence. It's something to get used to. It's very nice though. Like, no lie, this is cute. Now, I would have to put a little bit of makeup right here, and I would kind of prefer, well, what you can do is just slide it on over, like however you prefer your wig, slide it over. But yeah, and also the way I have my hair wrapped is kind of humpy just because of how my hair is wrapped, but I'm sure if I had braids in my hair or if I didn't wrap it, it wouldn't be that way. But I like this hair. Something in it. Another thing I would do would probably be to pluck a little bit more, just a little bit more, so it can look a little bit more real. But what I'm gonna do first before I even try to pluck it is put a little bit more put a little bit of makeup right there so that we can, you know, see. I think I might have to wear this to work tomorrow. No, my hair is straight. I'm going to be wearing this though after I shampoo my hair. So let's put some makeup on it and see how that looks. If that doesn't work, we're gonna just go on and pluck a little bit. Okay? Okay, so that defined it a little bit more, but just for a more realistic type of look, I would probably consider plucking and also leaving some of my hair out just a little bit, because this is synthetic and I don't really like the wiggy look. Like, I want it to look like it's my hair growing up out of my scalp. So for the edges, I'll probably put a little bit of edge control on my hair, but like I said, my hair is straightened right now, so I'm not about to do that right now. But just from this, just from taking it out of the box, I actually really like it. And I would definitely prefer short hair with synthetic wigs, because synthetic tangles up so fast. And I think this is cute. Like, it's blue black, but it's not overbearing, it's not unrealistic, it's not an off the wall color, like just bright looking crazy. So I would definitely wear this wig if I'm, feeling, like playful. I think this is a cute, playful, everyday type wig. I just can't stop running my hands through the wig. Like, I feel like it's so soft and it's so nice. It doesn't have that horrible synthetic feel, you know what I'm saying? Like real hard and just ill to the touch. It feels good and I like this. Y'all, when I tell you, get you some baby hairs out real quick and you're really good to go. Like, you legit, like you legit in there. You legit in there like swimwear. Let me look at the back. Let's see what the back looks like. Is that cute? I can't tell. Y'all tell me, is the back cute? I like it. Thank you, Sam's Beauty. I like this hair. I'm gonna be wearing this, honey. I'm gonna be wearing this. Let's just do a brush test. Let's see how it brushes. Okay. Brushes nicely. No tangles. Of course it shouldn't have tangles coming straight out the box though. Yeah. Definitely gonna put this on the wig head to preserve the curls and just make it last and look glorious. If y'all are interested in cute, fun wigs, then definitely check out Sam's Beauty. Their link will be in the description box. And I'm gonna be wearing, I'm sorry, I'm being real extra. I'm gonna be wearing this hair to work, out, to dinner, wherever I wanna go, to the grocery store. Just, I love it. Thank y'all, for real. I'm gonna calm down though, for real. I just be so extra. I'm sorry. Again, this is the Invisible Deep Part Wig, and this is in the color blue black, OTB, BL, BK, blue black. So I will link this particular wig in the description box, and also their website. You can just go and visit their website and find out how you like it. I think this wig was like $20, 20 something dollars. It was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this wig was $26, and this is so reasonable. Like, $26 for this? Yes, this is so cute, honey. Y'all can just go stock up on Sam's Beauty wigs, because they do have other wigs to choose from, and they do have the parts here like this, and then they also have the straight ones you can choose from. It's very, very nice. Just go browse their website and get what you like, okay? That is it for this video. I'm about to go and just look at myself in the mirror, because I really like this wig, and take some pictures and stuff. So I'm gonna go, and I will see you in my next video. Thank y'all for watching as usual. Mwah.